Here we are in Noblesville, and we have a relatively new parking garage right here. Hamilton County parking garage, 2022, so who knows what kind of elevator we got in here. Let's see. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. It's a Gen 2. Let's go to 5. Oh, this is a bit of a disappointment. Cab's pretty nice though. Floor could use a little touch up though. There's our friend, Mr. Security Camera. Newer Series 2, 3,500 pound capacity. They could have chosen way better than this. Here are 5. Roof is closed. Well, here are 1. Very disappointed with that elevator choice. Well, that's it.